morning, grade ones, mommies and daddies, and welcome to another Active Learning at Home life skills lesson. Let's get started. The topic of the day is the sense of hearing. Today we're going to learn about one of the 5 senses, hearing, which is what you use to be able to listen to stories, music, and instructions from your teachers and parents. Sound is all around us, every day. Some sounds make us happy. Some make us sad. Can you think of happy sounds? Happy sounds can be babies laughing, birds chirping, and music playing. Can you think of any sad sounds? Sad sounds can be babies crying, glass breaking, an alarm going off, and many other. Some sounds can also be just plain annoying. There you go. Sounds can mean many things.
Close your eyes and listen to everything around you. You are now using your sense of hearing. Your sense of hearing depends on tiny hairs deep inside your ear. If you lose these hairs, you lose your hearing. Sound is just vibration moving through the air and into your ear. If you listen to a song, you are actually feeling little vibrations with the hair in your ears. Use your sense of touch to feel this effect. Make an ah sound and put your fingers to your throat. Can you feel the vibration? Believe it or not, but your ear also helps you keep your balance. There are liquids in your inner ear that help you maintain your balance. If you mess with these liquids in some way, you get dizzy and out of balance. Try spinning around in a circle as fast as you can. Once you stop, try to walk in a straight line. If you feel dizzy and can't walk straight, this is because the liquids in your ear have been disturbed. Let's make a beat with our hands. Clap and snap your hands with me. The first line says, clap, clap, snap, snap, 2 times. So that will be clap, clap, snap, snap, clap, clap, snap, snap. Let's try that without words. The second line says, clap, snap, clap, snap. So that will be clap, snap, clap, snap. Only 1 time. Let's try that without words. Very good. The third line says, clap, 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 snap. Only 1 time. So, clap, 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 snap. Okay, let's try that without words. Very good. Let's see if we can combine the whole thing together. it'll go. Clap, clap, snap, snap. Clap, clap, snap, snap. Clap, snap, clap, snap. Clap, 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 snap. Very good. Let's do it one time without sound. Very good. Let's see if we can do it as fast as possible. That's as fast as I can do it. Practice it on your own to see if you can get it even faster. Or make up your own beat. Can you identify some of these sounds based on the pictures you see? Here's the first sound. Here's the second sound. Here's the third sound. The fourth sound. The fifth sound. And the last sound. Could you identify those sounds? If you want to hear them again, pause the video here and restart the slide. Okay, let's look at the answers. The first sound was a zipper. The second sound was whistling. The third sound was tearing paper. The fourth sound was typing. The fifth sound was hiccups. And the last sound was tea being stirred. Did you get that? If you're not careful, you can lose your hearing. Children who struggle to hear can sometimes wear a hearing aid. These are really cool machines that help you to hear better. But it's best to keep your sensitive ears safe from the start. Always stay away from sharp or loud noises. Don't listen to any loud music. And never put anything like a pencil or even your finger in your ear. As a last fun thing to do after the lesson, sit in each room in your house and listen to what you can hear. Are the sounds different at different times of the day? You can also go to the following website to explore more about your senses. I hope you had tons of fun with me today. Until next time, bye bye!